What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I am back with another banger, man. And in today's video, I'm about to be showing y'all how to sound like Yeat on Bandlab. Yeat. Bruh. Yes, bro. Yeat, bro. Now, this probably finna be one of the best tutorials on here. So make sure y'all smash that like button, man. You already know we don't gatekeep over here, man. We show love. Yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, man. Let's get into this banger. All right, man, now that we in the track. Now, I know I said it's a how to sound like Yeat, but you know we had to hop on the Summers Twin Uzi type beat. You know what I'm saying? Tomato. But in this track, I really just started, like, I really was punching in, bro. I was on my punching in vibes, you feel me? And as y'all can see, bro, I was punching in the whole song, bro. But hey, that's how I beat some songs, bro. Sometimes you just gotta just punch in, bro. You know, I'm finna let y'all listen to the song, and then we finna get into these presets, and then I'm finna hook y'all up with the tips, man, on just how I just got that crispy auto-tune sound on Bandlab, man. So hey, without further ado, let's get into it. A young nigga stuck in his mode. Fuck all you niggas, I'm finna go ghost. We finally did it, it's time for a toast. I'm ballin' these niggas, I feel like D-Rose. She on my line and she running it up. Bought her back, I cannot give a fuck. Baby Draco on myself in the bus. Told her calm down cause she doing too much. Yeah, this shit gon' take some time. Bro, like, that don't even sound like it was made on Bandlab. No disrespect to Bandlab, man, but that mixing is just top tier. Yeah, we got the heavy auto-tune on right here, about 80%. Now, if you're trying to get that Yeat, bro, you probably gonna have to go 90%. I ain't even gonna lie to you. You know, good luck on that 90%, man. But here's just a little quick tip. If you want to get the best sound, bro, turn your monitor on, right? And just, like, you know, sing out words, like, until you... Basically, what I was trying to say was, like, sing out words and just get a good hearing of the auto-tune and the key you on. So when you actually start performing the song, or, like, you know, singing your song, it's gonna just come out, it's gonna come out hella clear and crispy, you know, because you already singing on that right, you know, key. So make sure you lock down that key, man, on the monitor. That's just a little quick tip though, man. But yeah, let's get into these presets. Right here we got the Digicomp, and we got the EQ3 equalizer, man. And we got this studio reverb, but I'm not really feeling it, so you already know. But actually, you got the studio reverb, man. And then we got the noise gate right here. And then we got our D delay. Pause the video if you need to. We got our graphic EQ. Now, everybody's voice is different, so when you throw these on your track, you're gonna have to, like, possibly adjust some of them a little bit, but it's not hard. You just gotta, you know, learn your voice, learn the highs and lows, like really engineer your vocals if you really want to do it yourself. And we have a graphic EQ equalizer. Yeah, we finna get into the ad-libs, so let's get into that, man. So right here we got the Digicomp, we got our EQ3, studio reverb, man. We got that noise gate, graphic EQ, the easer. We got that TechLab BA2A, man. You already know the vibes, man. But yeah. And what really makes the ad-lib just different is I just, like, you know, it's negative 10 dB, and I got it hooked to the left. Now I don't know why it's all the way on 100%. I feel like you should never put it on 100% unless you know what you're doing. I usually just throw mine on, like, around 35, and, you know, it'll get me right. But yeah, man, duplicate it, and then boom, turn that down a little bit, bro. I'm telling you, try this out, and you're gonna be surprised, man. And you can also double up your vocals too, just to add, just make them sound. Now, this strategy is not, like, mandatory, but if you want to, like, give it a try, it might be able to, like, help your song sound a little better, give it a little more potential. But yeah. So
this might look a little confusing, but you feel me? You just, you just turn them down a little bit, you feel me? And then knob it on the right a little bit. And then for that first one, you just knob it to the left a little bit. Not this, so that it's not like, too much to the left or the right, to where it's just not in the middle. But yeah, that's just another tip that you can use to just thicken up your vocals. But and that's optional too. Like if it sounds good just how it is, hey. But hey man, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, man. And y'all stay tuned for more big body bangers, man. Road to 100K, let's go.